In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove premium service benefits from Turbotax. If you've decided that the extra features just aren't for you, don't worry. I'll take you through the entire process, step by step, so you can remove these services in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Turbotax official website. If you're not sure of the address, simply type Turbotax into your search engine, and it should pop up right at the top. Once you're on the site, locate the sign in button, which is typically found in the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that to sign into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next thing you need to do is navigate to your TurboTax homepage. This is where all the magic happens. On your homepage, look for the Intuit account tab. This is usually part of the account options or your profile settings. Clicking on Intuit account will take you to a new section where you can manage your account details. From the account settings page, identify and select the overview option. It's always a good idea to be familiar with this section as it offers a comprehensive view of your account, subscription details, and personal information related to TurboTax. Speaking of subscriptions, the next step is crucial. In the overview section, look for Manage Subscription. Clicking on this will lead you to all the subscription services you're currently enrolled in. It's like the dashboard for everything subscription related, giving you control over what you want to keep or let go. Once you're in the Manage Subscription area, find and select Products and Billing. This option will house all the essential billing and product details associated with your account. It's set up this way so you can easily view and modify your subscription choices without any hassle. After you've clicked through to Products and Billing, you'll see a list of your active subscriptions, including the premium service benefits. From here, it should be straightforward to remove the premium services you no longer wish to keep. All you need to do is follow the prompts to finalize the removal, and you're all set. And there you have it. It's a simple, efficient process and doesn't take much time at all to get sorted. Remember, it's always good to periodically review the services and subscriptions you are using to ensure you're only paying for what you truly need and find value in. If you've got any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you streamline your TurboTax experience.